Got a high 471.
When it first happened, we worked on it.
445, 420 is the low.
So, yeah, I'm gonna watch ASTC. But when you see big sellers, that does throw me off a little bit.
So we actually get the chance to meet for the last.
I'm just gonna close my Firefox browser. I think that's slowing things down a little bit here for some reason. So I go auto.
445.
So
More off.
what we're experiencing here is called a micro pullback. I'm going to buy the dip down here. And I'm looking for a quick pop back through. I would like to see this pop back through 450. So watching over 445, added there, and now for a squeeze through 5. And I take a little profit off the table as we get up towards $5 a share. So that's a 24,000 share position.
I sold out early.
I always want to make sure I pay myself as it starts pushing higher. So I took my profit off just as we approached $5.
Maybe $100, I suppose.
That's a technical
$108.
setup called a 1 minute micro pullback.
I cannot fuck with this.
So now I'm going to watch to see if there's another trade. So now we're at $35,000 donating to the Novel Foundation today. I'm going to take a little more off the table. We're watching this. So what I like to do on the second trade, so add it back here with a break of 550 and looking for a squeeze up towards 6. So over 585 is the next add for me. Added there. Oops, so now big seller comes in, so I take my profit off the table. So I had profit there, but I ended up selling that for a loss. Not a big loss, but a small loss, because all of a sudden a big seller came in there right around 575. So I just move out of the way, I just jump back out, and I can get right back in. You know, if this goes right back to 575 or 6, that's fine. But if it's not going to hold that level, then I just got to step off. So I pay attention to those big sellers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take a quick look at the SEC filing on this. So see, there's a 20,000 share seller there.
And then there's
so Astro Tech Corporation. So
there on for the snipers. It could be really frustrating
at their P&L.
to just.
So they're losing money, but so they do have some assets. It could be a challenge trying to do this due diligence while trading at the same time.
They know somebody.
So as we sit right now, have a high here, 70. But we know on the 10-second how we dip down before we curl back up. So Astrotech Board approved strategic initiative focused on lunar resource development, autonomous lunar institutional or industrial infrastructure, and future moon-based advanced computing. So I would say the catalyst is probably piggybacking a little bit on SpaceX, but that doesn't mean it's going to work super well or hold up super well. So very minimal revenue, a lot of expense, loss of operations. How much cash do they have? So cash and short-term investments. So now let's go back and see if they have a shelf registration. We do. It was filed in January. It's in the right to raise $30 million.